Good afternoon. My name is Damon E. Thompson, and I am the owner of Thompson Business Services. We welcome you today to my monthly, or actually semi-monthly, business planning workshop. It's called How to Write Your Business Plan. I do a two-part series specifically in order to help our people go from the idea stage to actually the stage of becoming a business owner. Too often, we take our funds and we actually take our dollars, and our dollars go outside of our communities. But there are so many of us brothers and sisters who within our own community have bright minds and have business ideas that sometimes we get gripped by fear. So the purpose of my workshops is literally to take you from moving past the stage of fear and actually starting to make an investment in yourself. And ultimately, in making an investment in yourself, you're making an investment in the community. And then ultimately, what this is about is building legacy. It's about you leaving a lasting legacy, not only for yourself, but for your community, your kids, your grandkids, and for others. What good is it for us to have a dollar and not use that dollar to support each other? So once again, the whole purpose of the workshop is just that, helping you to be able to take your idea out of your mind and start to put that idea on paper and learn about your customer, your market, your competitors, all the way through the financial side of your business, which is just more than dollars and cents. Actually, are you a profitable business? And then in order to help you to be able to go from, the stage of that first year stage, moving past the fifth year stage, and then becoming a long-term sustainable business that goes past that 10-year journey. Thank you. And here are a few words from people who have attended my workshops, just a few testimonials to give you an idea about what it is that you're going to learn, and then also the benefit to them of coming out to the workshops.
Hello, I'm Elvin Tucker. I just wanted to speak about Damon Thompson's writing a business plan class. What I got from this was what I liked the most about his class is, not so much the information. The information was great for those who want to come for the information. It may give you that motivation and the kick to form your business. But what I enjoyed the most about is the networking aspect. How I brought people of color together in one room with ideas for business. And Damon really did a good job of, directly messing people together and trying to get them to network together and forming businesses and partnerships that, eventually help us as a people grow and into ownership of our own things. So that's all I really wanted to speak about. That's what I really enjoyed about Damon's class.
The class was good. It was a nice experience dealing with a lot of black individuals who were interested in pursuing their own business or who had their own business. It's good with networking. I got networking out of the class. As far as information, it's a lot to consume for just two parts. But I'm hoping to come back again and retake the class and reprocess all the information that I got. But definitely a good class, and I got a lot out of it, and I feel like I get more out of it once I retake the class.
The class was absolutely great. I loved it. It was very informational. I had great feedback, and I look forward to the next class he has.
This class was awesome for me personally. It gave me a roadmap on where I need to go and the steps that I need to take in order to bring my vision to fruition. I oftentimes tell people you can't get to where you're going unless you have a map. So Damon actually gave me that map that I needed to get my business going. I definitely will be taking more classes from him, and I do suggest that everyone take this class if you are interested in starting your own business.
Hi, my name is Shanetta Ross. I took the business class today, and it was wonderful. I took it last week as well, and it was even more information. I recommend this class to anyone that's trying to start a business or already has a business. Please take this class. It was the best.
Hello, my name is Edward Manyweather. This is actually my second time going through Damon's class. The first time I really opened my eyes to what I wanted to do as far as a business. I had an idea, and Damon helped me take that idea from something in my head to something that can actually happen. So I've been meeting with Damon since the first class. I came back to the second class, and the second time going through the class made more sense. It helped me structure what I wanted to do. It helped me think more clearly. It helped me put into action a lot of the things that I had been avoiding. So it really helped me take my idea out of my head, put it down on some paper, and then go through a research mode and begin to develop this into something where I can really see my business developing. I can really understand how just this idea I had in my head is real, and it's taking me to different steps. Damon's been walking me through each step, and I've been able to connect with a lot of people here, and the people connecting part has been almost as important as the instruction and the structure that Damon gave me. So the people here in the class has really helped me see that I can connect with more people and make my business a reality.